Hello dear traders, we're glad to welcome you on instaforex TV channel. You are watching economic news with me, Tahmina Salomova. The US currency was struggling to regain losses in the Wall Street trade, but all efforts were in vain. The US dollar index briefly touched the level of 95.20 and afterwards shut out with 10 pips. Downbeat US retail sales data for September dealt a blow to the US dollar. Meanwhile, the Japanese yen is gradually picking up steam against the US dollar amid lingering trade jitters between the US and China. The dollar-yen pair is trading slightly above 112.00. Today, market participants checked upbeat inflation data from China, which has been speeding up for a few months. China's consumer inflation jumped to 2.5% in September from a year earlier. The fresh reading has been the strongest in the recent half a year. On the main minus side, producer prices eased to 3.6% in September on an early basis from a 4.1% increase in August. The Australian dollar is trading flat versus the greenback at near 0.7110. The Aussie showed no response to the minutes of the latest policy meeting of the Australian Central Bank. The policymakers indicated readiness for rate hike in the short term. At the same time, the New Zealand dollar asserted strength against its American counterpart. The NZD USD pair is trading higher today at about 0.6570. In the Asia-Pacific trade, the Kiwi found support from better-than-expected inflation data. Consumer inflation in New Zealand accelerated sharply by 1.9% year-on-year in the third quarter. Dollar bulls refrained from big bets today, awaiting the minutes of the latest policy meeting of the Federal Reserve, which will be released tomorrow evening. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned to instaforex TV channel.